If you use Excel 2010, but you're working in a mixed environment where you're working with spreadsheets that were created in older versions of Excel, such as Excel 2003, you won't be able to use all of the functionality that's available to you in Excel 2010, at least not without converting the spreadsheet first. Here in Excel 2003, we have an actual spreadsheet called Expense Budget, and it is using the older format, the 97 to 2003.xls format. So we have all of the functionality available to us here in Excel 2003. But if we switch over to Excel 2010 and we open up this spreadsheet, we don't have access to all of 2010's features and functionality. And we know this when we go to the very top and look at the title bar, we see the name of the file, and then we see compatibility mode, indicating that we are working in a mode where some of the features and functions are going to be restricted to us because we're working with an older format. But if you want some of that functionality, you want to be able to use it on the spreadsheet, you can always convert what you're looking at. So with it open here, we go to Backstage View, click File, and with Info selected, you'll notice there's a button here for converting, and it's under Compatibility Mode. And sure enough, some of the new features are disabled here in Compatibility Mode. If you want those features though, click the Convert button. You'll see this message here, indicating that the action's about to convert your workbook to the current file format. It's going to allow you all of those new features, and it's going to reduce the file size as we saw earlier in this course. Now the original workbook will be deleted and cannot be restored after this conversion, so you need to keep that in mind. Now if you don't want to see this message ever again, you can click this checkbox, Do Not Ask Me About Converting Workbooks. I'm going to leave it on, it's a nice warning, and click OK. So here we see another message saying that the workbook contains one or more of the following features that are not supported by the selected file format. You can see some of the menu editor customizations. To save the workbook without these features, we just have to click OK. So another warning. And there it is. The workbook conversion to the current file format was completed successfully. So to use the new and enhanced features here in Excel 2010, you have to close and reopen the workbook. So do you want to do that now is the question. You can answer yes or choose no. But when you do close it up and reopen it, you'll have access to all of the features and functions of Excel 2010, and compatibility mode that you see on the title bar will disappear. So let's just try that. Click File and Close, and we'll reopen it. Now I saved mine on the desktop. You'll find yours in your exercise files folder likely. Here's our expense budget. When we open it up, notice compatibility mode is gone. We're using the new format, and we have all of the features and functionality of Excel 2010.